Knowing when you need a shim is quite straightforward. You can understand this by visually looking at the grill. You can compare the number of threads visible here versus the size of the shoulder just under here at the rear. Ideally, the shoulder should be the same depth as the gapping tool or fractionally smaller. So this one you can see is currently extended quite a long way when we compare that to only one thread visible at the front. In this scenario, you should have more like this grill. So you can see one thread at the front and you can see the perfect ideal shoulder at the back. So if you have what we had in the first instance, that would be a good indication that the grill needs to have a shim fitted. On this grill, we found earlier that we had an out of alignment. The rear adjuster was quite a way down and the front adjusters were quite far up. To overcome this, we're going to change the angle by installing a shim. The shim's pictured here and fits between the wear block and the carriage block, as shown. One shim will make about one thread difference at the front. It may be that you need to fit 2 or 3 shims to make the difference.